I am going to show you guys how I put on my wig. So firstly, I take my cap. I'm going to take the skin color one. So I'm going to pop it around my neck. Then you want to get the elastic that's on one end and get that towards the top of your head and the other end towards the back. Just like that. Pull this one back as far as you can, the very top. Flip all of your hair into it. So on the inside of the wig, you've got a bunch of clips to help secure it even better, as well as if it is a little too large, you can always clip this little clip into a closer notch. And I just hold the front and I hold the back and I just place it on and then flick it back up, making sure that you're holding it off. It is a side part, so I'm going to move it over there. I'm also going to clip in those clips. Okay, so this is how it's looking.